You might think a dirt bike is one of those loud and cranky motorbikes emitting harmful elements to our nature. Well, assuming that way is entirely understandable, but the power and perks of the best electric dirt bikes will change your mind completely. Just imagine dashing through the rugged and uneven trails without any pollution and loud sound. Isn't that amazing? It is. But when you think of getting yourself one, you might face many questions and confusion, which is why we've come up with our video on the top 5 electric dirt bikes and dirt e-bikes. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
Starting today's list with the Segway Dirt E-Bike X160, a fully power-packed electric dirt bike that will fulfill your adventure thirst with its speed, mileage, and other new features. Its amazingly lightweight aviation-grade aluminum alloy frame provides you with ruggedness, allowing you to maneuver through the most challenging trails without worrying about anything. Plus, the multi-link hydraulic spring central rear suspension and a double-shoulder inverted front fork work together to deliver you a superior shock reduction, making your most challenging off-road adventures comfortable. The bike has a fantastic acceleration that allows you to reach 0 to 31 miles per hour in just 4 seconds, no matter how rough the terrain is. Plus, you'll be provided with a top speed of 31 miles per hour, and the dual drive system includes a 22-inch long HTD 8M belt, along with a 420 chain which enhances the overall torque power of the wheels. And Panasonic swappable batteries will deliver you a maximum range of 40 miles and can be charged in just 3 hours. Since it has swappable batteries, you can forget the range barrier by carrying extra batteries. All said, a great build, powerful maneuvering capabilities, and adaptability makes the Segway Dirt E-Bike X160 a decent choice as an electric dirt bike. Power up your off-roading capabilities with the Electric Motion Escape, an innovative, powerful, and stable electric dirt bike for your long-distance backcountry explorations. Construction of its frame features 15 CD V6 steel, low-carbon steel with a fantastic yield strength that can withstand the rigors of the most rugged trails. The bike also offers you R16V rear shocks that collaborates with a tech steel front fork to keep you comfortable through those uneven trails. Next, its mighty motor will deliver you 6 kilowatts of nominal power and up to 11 kilowatts of peak power to make off-roading smoother with a top speed of up to 46.5 miles per hour. The Escape has a progressive regenerative brake, also known as PRB, and progressive electronic lever switch, or PELS, right on its left-hand lever. Let's explain what those are. When you're in PRB mode, the left lever will work as a rear wheel brake, while the PELS mode will work as a clutch. Lastly, with an impressive 2,620 watt-hour battery, you'll be getting up to 38 miles with a single charge and the quick charging time of only 3 hours. The Electric Motion Escape becomes a good deal as an electric dirt bike. Experience an ergonomic look and outstanding performance with the Kalk OR from Cake, a lightweight, agile, and good-looking electric dirt bike from the muddiest terrains. When it comes to its robust build, this electric dirt bike features a 6061 aluminum frame, and the handlebar features aerospace-grade 7050 aluminum. which makes the bike sturdy and lightweight at the same time. Furthermore, the linkage-mounted rear shock and Öhlins premium air fork will deliver you a top-notch shock resistance, making your adventure more comfortable. Since it has a motor with higher RPM and a 50 watt-hour battery, it can deliver you 3 different riding modes. The Explore mode will provide you long-lasting riding experience with a limited top speed of 28 miles per hour. The Excel mode will let you go off the limits with a top speed of more than 56 miles per hour, but with a runtime penalty. In conclusion, with an amazing build, premium brake, and a well-organized battery, the Kalk OR becomes an excellent choice as a unique dirt bike. Whiz down the off-road trails rapidly with the Zero FX, an electric dirt bike that combines power and quality in a single chassis, making your expedition trips or dirt bike tricks easier. This rugged electric dirt bike is made of a square aluminum structure and is gusseted, which makes it endure the pressures of the most demanding trails. Furthermore, the bike features a Showa 40mm piston as its rear suspension and a Showa 41mm inverted cartridge forks to deliver you an ultimate shock resistance and a comfortable ride. Next, its Z-Force 75.5 passively air-cooled brushless motor delivers you up to 20 kilowatts of power and a top speed of up to 85 miles per hour. This means you'll be getting the speed of a traditional fuel-powered bike without harming nature. The bike also features a 3600-watt Z-Force Nylon Intelligent Modular Power Pack, which delivers you up to 91 miles of a city ride with a single charge. And it also has an easy slide-out system to replace the battery on the go. All in all, with these innovative features, impressively high speed, low maintenance, and a clutchless direct drive transmission, the Zero FX gives you an easy but swift riding experience. Finally, the KTM Freeride E-XC rounds off our today's list with its power, off-roading perks, mileage, and overall best performance. Talking about its chassis, the Freeride E-XC comes with chrome molybdenum steel with a bolt-on aluminum section, making it very lightweight. Plus, its open lower section design makes sure that you're getting optimal stiffness and stability even in the higher jumps. The chassis works with WP Explore front and rear suspension to ensure your maximum comfort. Next, the engine features a water-cooled state-of-the-art control unit, ensuring excellent power delivery to its brushless electric motor. The motor provides you with a peak power of up to 18 kilowatts during its cross mode. Additionally, the motor's fully sealed system saves the battery and the motor even after fully submerging underwater. The Freeride E-XC comes with a KTM Power Pack lithium-ion battery with 3.9 kilowatts-hour capacity, which can be fully charged in just 1.3 hours. To conclude, the KTM Freeride E-XC gives you top-notch power, amazing comfort during off-trails, adequate battery, and an overall best experience, making it a perfect choice for your off-roading adventures. So that was our list for the top 5 electric dirt bikes and dirt e-bikes. Thanks for watching our video. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends if you found it helpful.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.